Adaptive cruise control with low-speed follow helps make it easier and less tiring to drive on the highway. This system is designed to maintain a constant cruise speed as well as a set following interval when it approaches a detected vehicle ahead. And it can even bring the vehicle to a stop and resume following again. ACC uses a radar unit mounted at the front of the vehicle and a windshield-mounted camera to gauge the distance of a detected vehicle ahead. ACC then sets the appropriate throttle position and can even apply braking to maintain a preferred following interval. To engage the system, press the main button on the steering wheel. ACC will appear in the instrument panel. Lane Keeping Assist System, or LKAS, will be activated as well. The cruise speed can be set when driving below 25 miles per hour, even if the vehicle is stopped with your foot on the brake pedal. To set the cruise speed when driving more than 25 miles per hour, press the Set Minus button when the desired speed is achieved. In either case, the driver information interface will display the set speed, as well as a vehicle icon and up to 4 distance bars that indicate the relative following interval. If no vehicle has been detected ahead, the vehicle icon will appear as a dotted outline. When a vehicle is detected ahead, the vehicle icon will fill in. Use the interval button on the steering wheel to adjust the following interval, and the distance bars will change. 4 different following intervals can be set: short, middle, long, and extra long. When a detected vehicle slows to a stop, ACC is designed to stop your vehicle automatically. A stopped message appears in the instrument panel. When the vehicle ahead starts moving again, the vehicle icon in the instrument panel blinks. To resume operation, touch the Res Plus button or press the accelerator, and the vehicle will resume moving up to the prior set speed. There are 3 ways to cancel operation of the system. Press the Cancel button on the steering wheel, press the Main button, or depress the brake pedal. Note, however, that if the low-speed follow function has stopped the vehicle, you cannot cancel operation by depressing the brake pedal. The system can also be operated as conventional cruise control. Press and hold the interval button for at least 1 second. The driver information interface will display a message, Cruise Mode Selected. Likewise, pressing and holding the interval button again for 1 second will re-engage ACC, and ACC Mode Selected will appear. It's important to understand that ACC is a sophisticated convenience feature. It's not intended as a safety device. ACC may not apply the brakes hard enough to prevent a collision, so driver awareness and control are still required at all times. Be aware that ACC does come with some significant limitations. The system may not be able to detect certain vehicles, such as motorcycles. It may mistake some stationary objects or vehicles beside you as preceding vehicles, especially on curves. And it's never a good idea to use any cruise control system in bad weather, in heavy traffic, or on slippery surfaces. Please review the appropriate section in the Vehicle Owner's Manual for detailed information and warnings.